Hello guys, Avneet this side from Cybercar Balinagar. Today we have installed Nippon Android 9 Pro in Hyundai Grand i10. This is a 9 inches full-fledged Android tablet that we have installed in the car. आप स्टीरियो की फिटिंग देख सकते हैं विद प्रॉपर फ्रेम माउंट हुआ है कार के अंदर. Along with this stereo, हमारा जो कार का हजार्ड बटन होता है that is also working properly. एंड इसकी माउंटिंग भी बिल्कुल ओरिजिनल टाइप में है. इस स्टीरियो के साथ हमारी कार के ओरिजिनल फीचर्स लाइक ओरिजिनल यूएसबी पोर्ट दैट इज आल्सो वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली. लाइक हमने ये यूएसबी कनेक्ट किया एंड यूएसबी आइकन इज शोइंग ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द स्टीरियो. अलोंग विद दिस हमारी जो स्टीयरिंग कंट्रोल की कीज होती है दैट आर आल्सो वर्किंग परफेक्टली. लाइक एज यू कैन सी ऑल द की हैज बीन सिंक्ड प्रॉपर्ली. If we talk about the specifications of this stereo comes along with 2+16 GB of RAM and storage, IPS panel and Gorilla Glass. Gorilla Glass इसका 5 dimension का है which makes the screen toughness more strong. And if we talk about the processor of this stereo comes along with quad-core T3 P1 processor which makes multitasking and many other features more faster. Despite this, we are also given with the option of changing the theme in the stereo, which can be used to customize the illumination of it. By default, there are 3 themes that are available. We can choose any theme among these to customize it. You can see the touch response, it's quite fast. Along with this, we are also given with the provision of 12 band of equalizer, which can be used to enhance our sound quality. By default, there are many preloaded modes that are also available in it. And other than this, we are also provided with the zone option through which we can check whether all the speakers are working or not. And we also have the loud option जिसको enable करने के बाद हमारे mids and bass काफी ज़्यादा enhance हो जाते हैं. If we talk about the loading time of Google Maps, it is also comparatively less as compared to other screens that are available in the market. Like as you can see, मैंने जैसी application open की है, our Google Maps has been loaded through which we can easily navigate. Other than this, we are also provided with the Play Store application through which we can download any application in the stereo that we want. In this stereo, we are also having the picture-in-picture mode through which we can directly access multiple applications at single time. Like if I opt for this video, I can play this video at the background also while I am using the second application. And the size of this video can be increased as well as decreased according to my requirement. So guys, we are having sir along with us. Sir, आपका good name क्या है?
Hi, my name is Goranj.
तो गोरांज सर, आप इधर आए स्टीरियो इंस्टॉल कराने के लिए, तो आपको हमारा काम कैसा लगा?
बहुत परफेक्ट था काम. बहुत मतलब I would say that the work was very clean and the after review performance was also very good. तो काम तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, no doubt about that.
And sir, in the uninstallation of the previous stereo of your car, कोई आपके मतलब जो डैशबोर्ड होता है उस पर कोई स्क्रैच वगैरह आया?
किसी भी तरीके से स्क्रैच वगैरह नहीं आया. जिस तरीके से वगैरह यूज़ करे थे वो मतलब देख के लगा था कि हाँ, जिस तरीके स्क्रू ड्राइवर वगैरह यूज़ नहीं किया, प्लास्टिक कुछ टूल्स थे जिसकी वजह से बस वो खुलता गया.
And sir, you're totally satisfied with the work and features वगैरह?
Completely satisfied.
And sir, features वगैरह आपको properly explain है?
बिल्कुल. That's completely fine.
And after the installation of the stereo, how is the output performance of your existing speakers?
आउटपुट एक्चुअली मेरा जो सिस्टम लगा हुआ था वो कंपनी का ही लगा हुआ था, और अब जब मैंने उसके बाद ये वाला इंस्टॉल किया है तो आई कैन सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू. जो आउटपुट मेरे को पहले मिल रही थी वर्सेस अब मिल रही है विद द सेम स्पीकर्स दैट आई वाज हैविंग अर्लियर और द सेम स्पीकर्स दैट आई वाज हैविंग अर्लियर, इस सिस्टम के साथ फ़र्क आया. डेफिनेटली वो एक आउटपुट का डिफरेंस देखने को मेरे को मिला.
And it has been enhanced as compared to the previous stereo?
Definitely, a lot.
And all the car original features like steering control key and original USB port are also
everything is working.
Thank you very much, sir.